Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for a 30-second card. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, and Ken is not a little happy with me on this, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and make a bookmark. Why? Because I need one. That's why. Actually, I do, because I mentioned this in another video, but I made this stamp set, Words to Live By, because I needed a new bookmark for my Bible. My Bible has just one little string of ribbon, you know, on the spine to keep my spot. And that's the spot that I keep for my Sunday Bible studies when I go to church. But I've been doing, I've been listening to another pastor online on his videos, and and we're doing a different book for him, with him, and I need to have another bookmark because I don't want to always have to flip through the Bible to find where I'm supposed to be when I could just get a bookmark. That's why. So that's what we're gonna do. And Ken thinks I'm crazy because technically this is a 30-second card in 5 minutes, but this is gonna be a 30-second bookmark in 5 minutes. Okay, Kenny, what are you looking at, sweetheart? He's looking at the ceiling. Okay. Okay, Kenneth, are you ready to start the time, my love?
Yes.
Okay, on your marks, get set. I gotta think for half a second. Start the time. Okay, so first we got to open up the bookmark, and I should have done that before, which that was silly. And I'm going to grab the large one, and I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with white. Okay, so this is just the base of the bookmark, and then I'm going to move this over a little, and I'm going to do the layering piece of the bookmark. Actually, I want to do that in white, and I'm going to do this in pink, because pink is my favorite color. Okay, so I'm going to lay that down, and I'm going to run those through a little bit at an angle so you don't get any speed bumps. Run those through as fast as you can. Ugh. Now, every once in a while on these videos, we do get some, good. We do get somebody that says, you don't have to rush, you can go slow. No, the whole idea on this one is just to go fast, just for fun, okay? I usually go slow, don't worry. Okay, so what I have here is I have the layering piece, and I have this piece, and I am going to get, here's my scrap paper. I wanted to use this stencil because it has a whole bunch of hearts on it. So I'm going to use this stencil, and I just want all those hearts. So I'm going to lay it like that. Ooh, look, that looks really good. And I'll have to add a couple more hearts in the center right there, but I'm going to lay that down, and I got some ink, and I want to decorate this. So I'm just going to add some pretty hearts. I'm going to go a little lighter than I normally probably would because I'm going to stamp on top of this. So I'm just going to go a little bit lighter than I normally would. And there we go. Oh my word, are you kidding me? Okay, now I need to add a couple more right there. So I'm just going to add those right there. And I'm not even going to, okay, just get in there, get in there, get in there. Okay, I'm going to go a little darker in this corner just for fun. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, I got to do a little bit more in this corner too, so I'm going to grab this. I love this stencil because it's just like all mixed matched hearts if you want it to be, and so that's kind of fun. And I'm going to go darker in this corner too, just because I can. Okay, now look at this. Look at that, my friends. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my word. It looks like I know what I'm doing. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I am going to stamp on this. I want to stamp on this, and I'm using my Words to Live By that I literally designed the stamp set for. And in all honesty, I'm not thinking I want licorice. I don't want it to be so strong. I don't want the black to be so strong on my bookmark. So I'm going to find, and I haven't organized these completely yet, so this is going to cost me time, but I want to try to find my Storm dark gray. Oh, there it is, dark gray, perfect. And Tiffany did include in these fun labels to put on your ink pads, but I haven't gotten to do it yet. So now I'm going to use my new Storm, and it's brand spanking new, which is awesome. And this stamp says it's brand new. I'm going to do Live with Joy. Sometimes I need to be reminded that, you know what, we are so blessed. We need to just live with joy. I saw, you guys know I love Toby Mac. He's a Christian singer, and he posted on his Facebook not that long ago. He posted on his Facebook that he said, are you having a bad day, or is it just 5 minutes of a bad day and you're milking it the whole day? I'm like, ooh, that was a good one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp that, and I'm going to stamp that right there. Live with joy. See that? Now, don't you love how it's not as black as it could be, because I used the storm, which is really nice. It's not so like bleh in your face, you know what I mean? And so I'm gonna do I am loved also, because I want to remind myself when I'm reading my Bible that Jesus loves me no matter what, even when I mess up. Because let me tell you, my friends, I mess up a lot. Okay, so live with joy, and down here it's gonna say I am loved. So I'm going to stamp there, loved. And then the I am, I need to do that in a different color because that's really important to show up. And because, let's see, cherry, awesome. Look at that, I found it, perfect. Not lucky for me, I have 2 sets of ink pads. So I'm going to do I am in the same color that I did, my, whoops, oh darn, I messed up. Okay, hang on, try again. There we go. I am. So now I have my I am and live with joy, and I got to add this to here. But you know what? That pink actually, oh, that actually works good. I'll do that. And let's get our adhesive. Ken's already got his thing on the buzzer to stop, but I'm still going here. So we got to add this. Look how pretty this is. I am literally going to use this, you guys. And guess what I have? I grabbed these. I got this from the Kit Club. So I'm going to use this. This is awesome. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. And I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to actually cut that right there. Right there. And hang on, I gotta do a knot because you want to make sure it really sticks. And I'm almost done, Ken, so get ready, and trim that a little bit, trim this a little bit. And I did it different lengths on purpose, and I just need to stamp the back, and we'll use our, well, actually I had black on there. Let's see, clean that a little. You guys always ask how I clean my stamps. Yeah, right, okay. So now I'm gonna stamp that. Done, stop. Did you stop? Okay, so really quick, this is my personally stamped, says limited edition by Stephanie Bernard, and I'm gonna do 1 of 1 because I'm not doing any more of this one. Okay. Whew. Oh my gosh, you guys, this turned out so good. I love it. So it says live with joy, I am loved. Now, if this was a card, I would add some fun embellishments like enamel dots or some diamonds or something. But because this is going in my Bible, I don't want it to be thick. So I'm gonna just leave it like this, which is out of my normal. But look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? I love this. This is totally going in my Bible right now. Kenny, what was my time for my bookmark? Oh, not bad, my friend. I'll take that. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. But literally, you guys, that's a work of art. Isn't it gorgeous? I love that. And you guys, I want you to check out that heart stencil, because see how I just did the darker in the corners? I was able to move it around to get it to cover all my spots. Now, normally, it is a heart of hearts, right? But I just use pieces of it to make my bookmark. I love it. I'm gonna go put this in my Bible right now. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining me for a 30-second bookmark in 5 minutes and 42 seconds. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart and feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand.